Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We welcome you to day two of the Advanced Science, Technology, and Innovation Convention, or ASTICON 2024. Yesterday, we launched ASTICON 2024 with an inspiring program featuring keynote speeches, valuable industry insights, and thought-provoking talks from our valued partners. The technical sessions and partnership signings set a powerful foundation for our ongoing collaboration, reaffirming our commitment to driving technological innovation in the Philippines. DOST-ASTI stands at the forefront of ICT and electronics research in the Philippines. Our mandate is to strengthen and modernize our nation's science and technology infrastructure, guided by our mission to develop technology-driven solutions with far-reaching society benefits. ASTICON 2024 showcases the innovative spirit of the Filipino people and our nation's technological prowess. It is a convergence of brilliant minds, a catalyst for groundbreaking discussions, and a platform to demonstrate how science, technology, and innovation can address our country's most pressing challenges. The R&D in the spotlight today are not abstract concepts confined to laboratories. They are blueprints for a better Philippines. The DataProtect project with its SIERRA system revolutionizes data privacy using blockchain technology, empowering users with control over their personal data. The ASTI-Automated Labeling Machine, or ASTI-ALAM, under the Skype program, democratizes AI technologies through its Dimer model store, breaking down barriers in AI development and adoption. The Gul.ai project fuses agriculture with AI and IoT, inspiring a new generation of tech-savvy farmers and addressing food security challenges. Our Quantum Circuit Simulation, or QCS project, pushes the boundaries of quantum computing research, potentially leading to breakthroughs in drug discovery and complex system modeling. Lastly, the iTANONG project breaks down language barriers in data access, making information accessible in Filipino, English, and even Taglish. These projects represent steps towards a more inclusive, efficient, and innovative Philippines. They promise to enhance disaster preparedness, optimize agriculture, improve public services, and position the Philippines in emerging fields. Imagine a farmer in Mindanao using AI models to optimize crop yields. A small business owner in Cebu querying databases in Cebuano. Or our youth inspired by Gul.ai to become agri-tech innovators. Picture SIERRA transforming government services, and our QCS project positioning the Philippines at the forefront of a quantum-enabled economy. The collaborations we are formalizing today are bridges between academia, industry, and government, creating pathways for knowledge exchange and mutual growth. By combining our strengths, we amplify our capacity to innovate and solve real-world challenges. To each of you, I extend a challenge. Engage deeply with the presentations and demonstrations. Your insights and collaborations could spark the next big breakthrough. Let's turn the ideas shared into actions and reasonable beyond these walls. As we look to the future, we envision the Philippines as a global hub of technological innovation and scientific excellence, a nation where our brightest minds would make world-challenging discoveries at home, where technology enhances every aspect of our lives. The future is not something we simply enter. It's something we actively create. We co-create. And today, we make a significant step in creating that future together. As we proceed with the signing ceremony, remember that each signature represents a shared vision for a more technologically advanced and prosperous Philippines. Let's work together to harness the power of science, technology, and innovation for a brighter, more innovative future for our nation. Again, thank you all for your presence and support. Isang maghampo na umaga sa ating lahat.